Oh man, check out this pallet right there. We got the Tombstone, the Barrel S moving, got the linear pallet system. I'm excited because today we're gonna actually show you guys how to install an Aeroex Mist Fit. Now this mist collector is amazing. The technology is through the roof. It's affordable and we sell it on our store. And I was like, you know what? Let's actually put the camera on Travis and Jesse and have them actually install one so we can see exactly how easy it is to install and then get it all wired, and then you can actually control it right from the controls. Boom, nice and clean. And the timing is absolutely perfect. A lot of people have been buying mist collectors. It saves your lungs. All this racket behind me, we have a new machine going in right now. So make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can actually find out what machine is going in behind us. It's in a future video. Boom, Jesse, Travis, take it away. I'm out.
Hey, what's up everybody? We've had a pretty busy day in the shop here. We've been installing our new Aeroex Mist Collectors on our machines, and now we're gonna go ahead and show you just how easy it is. I think about 8 steps or less on the DVF 5000 here.
You know, if we can do it, you'll be able to do it.
True story. Step number 1, where do you want to mount it? What do you think, Jess?
What about this giant hole in the machine?
I think that'll work. Or if you don't have a gaping hole, look around. You probably got a knockout or some little panel that will allow you to get access to the inside of the machine. All right, step number 2 is you want to make sure that you have your machine-specific mount that's going to attach to your machine.
I found this one. Will it work?
I think it will. And as you can see, we have 4 holes right here that'll match up with the 4 holes right on the machine there. Step number 3 is we want to go ahead and add the sealant on our flange right here so we get a nice airtight seal on our machine.
Before Travis puts this up here, you notice this little lip right here. This is adjustable for this thickness between the inside of the machine and the outside. So this helps you place it on top and holds it into place. This is how I used to build stuff with my dad, standing here handing him wrenches and screws.
I said a wrench.
It's a socket wrench.
Okay, looks good.
And you're done. We may need a few more steps.
All right, so we are now on step number 4, and we are gonna go ahead and unbox this bad boy so we can get it on our machine. So we're gonna go ahead and remove the filter. It's gonna reduce our weight just a little bit so we can put it on top with relative ease. Here she is, simple piece of hardware, profound experience. Okay. All right, so she sits in the tray, pretty easy. Okay, now we just gotta tighten. So that wraps up step 5. We got 8 bolts in here. She is going nowhere. Again, remember you can find this and others on our store at titansofcnctooling.com, where you can pick up one of these bad girls for yourself at a discounted rate. Next, we got step 6, install the electrical. Step 7, check the fan rotation. And step 8, let's put in a filter and get mist collected.
Boom! I've seen it.
So we're gonna do the smart thing. We're gonna let somebody from Mississippi do the wiring.
Electrical tape, duct tape.
You just check it with your tongue, right? Like a 9-volt.
Yeah, you want to make sure it's hot.
All right, so we are on step 6, electrical. And as you can see, we have our qualified electrician behind us because I'm not qualified to do it.
No. There's 2 things you want to look for in an electrician. Number 1, is there smoke coming out? And 2, is everybody still alive? As long as we have those 2 things covered, we're good.
So far, so good. All right, so one of the cool things about these units here is they are a dual voltage. So whether you got 460 or 230, these machines are versatile enough to hook up pretty much wherever you need them.
Now, when it comes to wiring a mist collector, you can do it several different ways. Now, what we're doing is plugging it straight into the machine so we can control it using an M code. Or you can do a straight power drop where you have an on-off switch, or you can simply do it with a wall plug and plug it straight into the wall. And all of these are options available to you depending on your needs.
All right, so we got our power hooked up. Now we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna have Jesse start her up and make sure that our fan is rotating in the proper direction. If it's not, we'll have to switch the electrical. All right, Jess, let's go ahead and turn her on. There we go. right, go ahead and turn it off. All right, thing spins for a while until it really slows down. You can't tell which way it's going, man. Doom, 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 doom. All right, direction looks good. So now we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna drop the filter in here. Now the cool thing about these filters is most of your filter work really is happening in this lower section. This is only catching some of the fine particles. You're only gonna replace this probably on an average about every 2 years. Outside or inside?
Can we test this now?
Yes, we can. Fill it up.
Let's put this misfit to the test.
All right, so there you go. 8 simple steps and you have a mist collector installed, ready to go. So right about now, you might be having some internal debate about whether you really need a mist collector. I'm gonna tell you right now, you do. You don't want mist raining down on you. You don't wanna get in on your skin or on your machines. And at the end of the day, you don't wanna fill your lungs up with it. So look, it's a small investment that I promise you will have benefits far beyond the initial price tag. And just so everybody knows, if you're in the market for a mist collector, these are on our store right now at a discounted rate. So make sure you go check them out.
Now, when it comes to wiring your unit, I don't want to say your unit.
It's in the air. It's on my skin.
I should have put it on. I should have put it on.
Would you like to collect mist, high rates of volume? Did you see her? No, I missed her.